Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to block adult websites on iPhone. So on iPhone, you can block adult websites using screen time. So to start, open settings, then scroll down and go to screen time. Now once you're here, scroll down and tap content and privacy restrictions and just toggle it on. Next, tap App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now scroll down and tap Web Content. Now, once you're here, so there are three options. So, what you need to do is to select Limit Adult Websites. So, to block specific websites, under Never Allow, so tap Add Website and enter the website URL. And that's it. Now, for method two, if you're using Google app, you can open Google, click your profile in the bottom right corner, go to Settings in the top right, scroll down and go to Save Search. Now, once you're here, make sure you choose filter. So this helps filter out explicit images, text, and links. So for example, if it is set to off, you can change it to filter by clicking on it. And that's it. It will be saved automatically. You can then save this window, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.